Hey, welcome to Bike Hike Botany. Today I am over in Esterillos Este with Kelly. We're gonna go hike on a trail that she's done before. Kristen and Jim, if you guys are watching, you guys have done this trail before as well. We're starting it off here at Esterillos Town Centre. Yeah. They have this really cool plane over here. So I wanted to show you guys this. Plan is we're going to walk along the highway a little bit until we get to the road that we're taking today. And this kind of wraps around all the way to Weste. Yeah, that's the plan. Anyways, it should be fun. I hope we see some squirrel monkeys. That would be amazing. So make sure you stay tuned. Let's go. Is this all abandoned?
This is abandoned.
Ooh, I love abandoned places.
More macaws.
Oh, more macaws flying. Check out the size. This is definitely way bigger than my body. That's amazing. Wow, it's so beautiful. It's producing some inflorescences here. As you can see, it's another beautiful day here in Costa Rica. It's pretty peaceful. It's like a nice little country road. Some horses over in the distance. So in front of us we have a cannonball tree. There are some fruit up top, I can see. So this must be the flower of the cannonball. Oh, it's falling apart. This is the fruit that, oh, look at that. That's crazy. Whoa, look at this Monstera over here. It's super huge. Look at how big the leaves are. Look at the fruit. Oh my goodness. That's insane. It's got good girth. Oh, he's eating. Wow, they're so beautiful. It has some really nice variegation. Kind of reminds me of the cafe con leche plant. Cafe con leche is more like burgundy brown and has kind of a pink cream color in the center. So maybe they're within the same family, but different varieties. But it's really pretty. Okay, there's squirrel monkeys right up here in this tree. Oh my goodness. I haven't seen one of these in years.
There's another one.
Oh my
there.
goodness, what is that?
They like those flowers.
Well, that's a good spot to land.
Yeah.
Right in front of me. We're so lucky today. We're seeing little squirrel monkeys, beautiful butterflies, amazing monsteras. Yeah, those butterflies are amazing. They're just like all over the place. Seeing those monkeys was so cool because I haven't seen one in a really long time. Like last time I saw one was over in Manuel Antonio. Don't have to go all the way out there. You can just see a whole family of them here. Okay, I was just saying, I wonder if we're going to see a sloth today. And well, there's one in that tree. He's coming down. Oh my God, look at how cute he is. monsteras, squirrel monkeys, amazing orange butterflies, and a sloth. I don't really know what can top all that today, but that was pretty amazing. This is where the road, the asphalt road, turns into dirt road. Look at the sky today, it's so beautiful. Look at that. I'm not 100% sure, but judging on the juvenile leaves, I think this might be a pinnatipartita. I have a hard time with monsteras because a lot of them kind of look the same to me. Oh wow, look, there's so many more here. So beautiful.
Those are pretty.
Wow. Oh, this is so beautiful. So I love this plant. This is a Philodendron hederaceum micans. Has this gorgeous dark green color and a beautiful velvety feel on the leaves. It's getting a little bigger and then boom, there it is. Fully mature. Look at this. That's beautiful specimen of micans. Ooh la la. That is amazing. Oh my god, there's a big spider on this one.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, be careful where you put your hands. Do you know what spider this is? A scary one. Okay, so this has a gate, but we just met the farm owners back there and they actually recommended we go through it, so we have permission, so we're not trespassing. We are going to climb a fence, but we have permission to do so.
It's not open, right?
It's got a padlock on it, so
That's alright. This one I can manage. Trespasser, no.
well, this is nice also.
This is beautiful.
Okay, there's something really cool. There's these stone spheres that exist throughout Central America. We're not really sure where they come from, how old they are. Make sure some snakes here. All right, so you guys can see for size how big this thing is. This is so cool.
What should I do?
I don't know, whatever you want to do. That looks fun. It's just over here in the middle of this field. Like there's basically kind of an abandoned rancho out here. Okay, we keep thinking that we're finding lime trees. It smells like a lime.
You think?
I don't know, it could be those orangey lime
I think
things.
it's the orangey lime.
I mean, I'll still take some because I like to have it on my salad. Oh yeah, look up there, they're orange, the more ripe ones. It's a nice tree. Yeah, this place is really beautiful. We don't know where we're going because the guy said there's a whole series of trails out here and you can get lost. We're not gonna get lost though. Oh, look what I just stepped in.
The cows.
That's nice. Cow poo on my shoe. Ugh. Abort mission. Trail is full of cow poo. We're gonna go up the other way. Okay. We're running from the bulls. Got it?
You grabbed it. Right there. Got it over there.
Sayonara, cows. They weren't sure. There was one making noises earlier.
Oh.
I just stepped in the cow poo again. Oh, God. I mean, it's everywhere. In fairness, it's a little bit difficult to avoid.
How many cow patties can you step in one day?
100. Look at the little baby cow. Oh my God, you're so cute. Oh, look, they have another baby.
Oh my.
Look how sweet that is. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, so cute. He must be really newborn. We just spotted a huge hawk on that fence. There he goes. Oh, now he's up here in the tree, hidden.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here.
Hi! Go, go! Wow, pooping and running at the same time. He's multitasking. Look, they're like, who are you guys? Why are you harassing us?
Up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me.
Wow,
Meant to be.
it is so beautiful out here. Ah, and there's a nice breeze. I think it's 10:30 or 11 a.m. It's getting hot out. There's not that much shade. We're stopping every shade patch that we can find. But hey, look, it's downhill.
Yeah, until it goes uphill.
Quite the uphill I see. That's gonna be fun.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth.
A wasp, a blue wasp.
That's mangoes or something. Oh my God, look at him.
This place has the best butterflies ever. Yeah, look at these crazy wasps. Oh my goodness. Look at the backside of that thing.
In the great outdoors, forever free.
Got the ocean in the back. Woo, it's hot out here.
Meant to be in the great outdoors.
All right, so we made it out of that road. Ooh, it's hot out. And now we're on the highway. We just missed the bus back to Hako, so we've got quite a wait left. So we are at the Marala Hotel. I think maybe we're gonna go have a coffee and just wait for the next bus to come, which is in 3 hours. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's hike. That was a really beautiful hike. We saw so many amazing things. Kelly says it's about 6 miles in total, the entire hike. Quite doable, although it gets a little hotter towards midday. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like this video and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you are notified whenever my videos come out. And that's all for today. So thanks for coming along, and we'll see you on the next one. Pura vida.